Kota da Yoda.
Dang! You got a whole couple of this.
Dude, I'm shy. I'm shy.
What? Just do it for Kota, dude.
I talked to them already.
Do I say I'm Kota the Yoda?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Going to pick up 2 more cars. I'll put slow-mo Jordan eating cereal from the morning.
Dude, we're gonna die.
It was worse.
You do like
Just picking up 2 cars. My 4-door R33 and FD. I traded Josh. All the way from Japan.
it's so clean.
Watches your YouTube and then he watches all your YouTube.
You have to say that on camera. Look at that.
Thank you.
What the fuck is fast, man?
Yeah, dude, it's like 350 horsepower. Oh, sorry, Kota. Cool, well, dude. Hey, you said.
Cash App Venmo.
This thing is tight. My new drift car. My new drift car.
You got a good rear end, man. Better than the newer ones, dude. When I pick up the other ones and I smash out on them, the whole rear end goes.
Making sure, dude. Wonder when Gabe will notice.
Right after you drop this video.
Why don't you know, where are you going?
Trying to put the sticker somewhere on Josh's car.
Homeboy's freaking hitting everybody's car with the sticker.
Where should I put it?
Put it on that piping, dude. Can't put it on
Right
this.
here.
Yeah. Rob, I'm adding Kota to upside down. Yeah.
Dang, you guys never had me.
Dude, you didn't get jumped in yet. You broke your leg, so we can't jump you in until your legs heal.
I'm gonna say new member of the team because we're the bosses.
It's blood in, blood out, man. Once you're in, you gotta get jumped first, and then you can't leave unless you get jumped again.
You gotta go old school, bro.
Hey, what are you doing to my car?
Blessing you.
Not in my engine bay, come on.
Why?
That's a pretty cool one.
I like the idea of it says nothing but time, but also no time.
Right?
at the same time. You basically just got a close up of my nostrils.
Is that better?
Oh no.
I feel claustrophobic.
Dude, I'm starting to sweat over here. I think it's because you guys are like freaking. Yeah, dude, I'm at it. Oh, you're leaning against it.
What's going on over here? I got a scratch.
Hey.
Get those S14 Sylvia. I just blessed him with the nothing but time sticker. My 180 sitting at the land. Not just 180. R33 and FD's hiding.
Yep, there it is.
There it is. I gotta start up all the cars and move them. FD started right up. Okay. Ah! So close. Inch away. Straight. Straight. Come out.
What?
Alright, you got it, Beto.
Neighbor's gonna hate us right now. Gotta rev it to turn it off.
Oh yeah, you got to.
Yep.
Why are we doing this?
Because you need to help me.
Josh needs borrow my trailer this time. We have to unload my 180.
Hey, you have to unload it anyways to load your FD, so I'm helping you out actually.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying, I'm not doing anything, so it doesn't matter to me. This super light custom, lightweight.
Freaking tight. What are these? Titanium?
Look, this is sickest thing you will see. Pull out that tray. Pull out that tray.
She's gonna pick you guys up in your GS?
Yeah.
Alright,
And
here's
top
your
one.
keys, bro. I'll see you guys at home.
Okay.
Dang! You got a whole cup holders?
That's what I said.
That's what's up, man.
This is badass. I never seen.
You never seen those? I've seen those. Yeah.
This looking OEM looking
yeah.
one.
Yeah, they sell those. I don't know where, but I've seen those before. Pretty cool. I need some. On my 240.
All right, let's go.
And Greddy. Greddy turbo gauge, pivot one, and Greddy temp. Turbo timer.
Every time I fall.
Just another day, man. Just another day.
Beto saving the world, one person at a time. You film it, you're the filmer.
Dude, what if they don't want it?
It doesn't matter, they're gonna want it, dude.
Dude, I'm shy. I'm shy.
What? Just do it for Kota, dude.
I'm shy.
Do it for Kota.
Here.
Hi, my name's Kota the Yoda, and we're gonna vlog. Dude, that's weird though. Honestly, that is weird. So what do you think about this?
Film it for me?
What do you think about this right now?
Can you go film
Is
it
this
for me?
awkward that we go walk up to these random people and just start filming them?
Well, you talked to them already.
Do I say I'm Kota the Yoda?
Yeah.
Alright.
Stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is weird. Don't mind me. I do his YouTube channel. So if he fixes this car right now, it's great for your channel, Beto. So what's going on? It won't start?
I'm trying to figure out why would it would not. Where'd you get hit at? Or where'd you hit? The rear?
Right?
The rear right? See, that
Oh,
was-
it got hit and
Yeah,
now it's
so
not
now
starting.
it's starting after. So now.
Is there any damage at all?
On the back right, yeah.
No, so it's probably just some,
sensor
it's a
stuff.
sensor or something.
Yeah,
right?
something. Some safety mode or something. But I don't have any of my tools on me.
Yeah.
The
You
one
should have-
day.
You probably have a toolkit in the back. What is it? Just a 10 mil?
Oh, on the truck, really?
Yeah. I mean, you should have it.
Seen any.
You'll probably have like a 10 mil wrench. I don't know.
Oh, pump the
Beto, you did it again, man. You saved another
did
car.
not save.
No, dude. No, it's really luck. Dude, you did great, Beto. Look at them. They're pulling away right now. They got their car working.
Look at them, they're so stressed.
They're so happy.
No, look how happy they are.
All right,
They're
see you.
happy.
Good job, Beto.
That was so perfect.
You're so good, Beto.
one card.
What a great man.
Piece.
What a great man.
Great, man. Dude, you're such a good citizen.
We're going to meet up with Jay, who's doing Josh's yacht merch and stickers. He's the owner of JDM Eagle. He's gonna start helping me with the stickers. Big turbo, bro. Jay's evil. Insane. Everything's insane.